This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play League of Legends on ROG Ally using an easy method. First, you'll want to install the Riot Games client directly onto your ROG Ally. Make sure you have a strong internet connection for a smooth download. Once installed, simply log in with your existing League of Legends account or create a new one if you're just starting out. Then, adjust your display settings for the best visual experience. Now, let's optimize your game settings for the best experience. Configure the in-game graphics to balance performance and visual quality. You can use the ROG Ally's built-in controls for movement and casting abilities, which is quite intuitive. For more precision, consider mapping essential functions to the customizable buttons. Many players also find a mouse and keyboard setup offers superior control, especially for competitive play. To ensure smooth gameplay, there are a few performance tips to keep in mind. Always close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources. Make sure your ROG Ally's drivers are updated to their latest versions for optimal compatibility and performance. You can also adjust the operating mode of your device to prioritize higher performance. Finally, keep an eye on your device's temperature to avoid any thermal throttling. With everything set up, you're ready to enjoy League of Legends on your ROG Ally. Experience the thrill of the game on a powerful, portable handheld device. Take some time to practice with the integrated controls to truly master your gameplay. For a more immersive experience, you can connect your ROG Ally to an external display. Now, you can join your friends for a fun and flexible gaming session almost anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.